Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first concrete steps. First, verify which Python idle is running by checking sys. Executable. This avoids path mismatches. Once done, derive the absolute path to that Python executable and keep it for subprocess calls. Make sure any virtual environment is activated in the same context as idle. Then start replacing shell equals true calls with explicit executable paths, so you can control the environment and avoid shell-dependent failures. You now handle the complex middle steps, switch to subprocess, run or subprocess. Open with shell set to false and pass the command as a sequence. Also provide CWD and an explicit env created from OS, environ, copy, to mirror idle environment. Capture stdout and stdir with text equals true or encoding to read outputs. This helps diagnose failures. Use timeouts or non-blocking reads and ensure you close any pipes to prevent deadlocks. These moves reduce permission, path, and buffering surprises. You finish by validating results and cleaning up. Examine process. Return code and inspect captured stdir and stdout. Raise exceptions when return codes indicate failure. Make sure you close file descriptors, terminate processes when needed, and join any helper threads so resources are released. Finally, if problems persist, run the identical command from a system terminal using the same executable path to isolate whether idle is introducing the issue. This single test often reveals environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.